Q services, Qwashers, Suttner ST triggers, what we're talking about here and so on. So what I've simply got here is the standard St2300, swivel at the bottom here, stainless steel, 1/4 inch coming out the other side. Then got the other quick release gun, so what we've got stainless steel spigot at the bottom, same spigot all the way through. So it's very easy to replace if it starts leaking. When it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 years, that stainless steel spigot is always the same setup. What I've got here is the quick release on this side that goes in. We've then also got the ST2635 stainless steel quick release. We've also then got fully stainless, so this is stainless steel quick release in this side. It's not brass. Everything all the way through stainless steel, chemical resistant, it can cope with, different to the others. Yep. LTF trigger force system. Yep. So when you hold it in, it's a lot less, so it stays in 90% easier, and also pulling is 65% easier to pull in than a normal trigger. Now what I'm talking about here is you'll see all sorts in the marketplace where people start using these. This is brass, very thin, and what happens is your quick release goes into this, but you've got an Allen key end here. So this would go into your gun, you screw it with an Allen key. But what we've lost straight away is the strength in the system, because what's happening is this only goes in so far. So as that spigot logs in, it's only into this space here. That thread is a very weak component part to normal, because it's a 1/4 inch, very thin thread. Not a lover of them converting a gun that way. Yes, if you're a domestic customer and everything else, you want a quick release, that might be a way to go. Another option here is stainless steel. Still not the strongest way of going. You've got hexagon nut that can be screwed in just the same way, but that is stainless steel. Better quality, it will last a lot longer than this type of trigger with that screwed into it. Yeah, these haven't got low trigger force, ST2300, and neither does the actual quick release gun. So this has got stainless steel spigot, quick release, but you've got brass quick release inside there. That is brass, not stainless steel like the other one. Plug in, push in. Now you'll see, if you put that in there, that's how far it's going into the gun. So it means that you've got strength. It's not just this part that's holding it. It's holding it inside it, this part of the trigger as well. So as you look at the thread is a lot bigger. So you've got more body there to be able to hold it. These are available as also in stainless steel if you wanted to. So you could go for a gun like that with that. But it doesn't make sense, you might as well go all the way through with a gun. But you can see how much more strength it's got as that one. That's the quick release that goes into that one. And like I say, that can be done in stainless steel. Some of them, what I have had before, is a bit of a crazy one. They've had that, and what they've simply got is they've gone with that. They've then got this on the lance, so they can then use the mini little jets that's in the marketplace. Yeah, what we are looking at doing is making it a lot easier and simple for yourselves and colour coding the jets. So a spigot roughly the same price, a good quick release, as what a female would be. But what you'd simply have is that going in, and you'd have a jet holder on there. Not just the jet straight into there, but then you colour coded. So like a red nozzle there, your red nozzles, they're a 25 degree. Yep, you'd probably do a different one like a pencil nozzle if you wanted to, which is different colour again. And like I say, we're going to do them all colour coded, so like a 0 degree, a white one 40 degree, so one of them in that colour. So they're all then, the jets go in there, that's in there, so that's very close. But the beauty about this gun is, if you're working in detailing, you want that part at the bottom that swivel. Yep, there's nothing worse than having a hose reel and it's fixed and it's solid. You're winding it, what's happening is this is having to turn fully all the time. When you're on a spigot, quick release there, you've got it all. Take your lance out on that side of it there, and you can wrap it back up onto the wall easily. It's turning the whole lot. Also when you're trying to work, it's not pulling back at you with it being a swivel on the system. Always remember as well that swivels are different. Obviously people don't understand when you've got a pressure washer. The machine itself, some are working at high pressure. When you let go, it's still got high pressure in there. I get asked regularly, where will a quick release do the same job? No, it won't. It won't work the same way, won't a quick release, as what a stainless steel good quality spigot swivel does. Yeah, got the different lances like I just showed before, but like I say, the main thing is to control your pressure with the jet. Keep your machine working at full pressure at all times. Don't mess around with it. Change the jet size. That's the easiest way of working. Thank you very much. Q Services, Qwashers, eBay and YouTube. We're being hit by a bit of wind here.